Dito frente. Pasu. Verona. Tubareto. 15 to shoot. Dito frente. No good. Berneso with the rebound. Pinasa ko Ivan. Ivan. Fake. Tubaya. 15 to shoot. Bernesa. 3. Verona, bumawi, Maywood, Ibal, Bernesa, Tupanya, Jumper, Maywood, Revares, pinasa kay Barreto, Barreto, fade away, 2-2. Ibal, fake. 15 to shoot, Lesena, Bob, boom, out of bounds. Barreto, corner, fake, short, Lansan, pinasa kay Baya, Baya, layup, counted. Foul, Mr. Barreto. First personal foul, Percy foul. Obvious score 37-34 in favor of Team BGS. Basket. Barreto nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Verona, corner 3. No good. Nakuha ni Baya. Baya. Layup, no good. Bernesa with follow up, no good again. Barreto. Verona. Tukarganyo. Good for 2. Ival, 15 to shoot, Ival, to Lansan, 2 points. Berganyo, jumper, no good. Baya, out of bounds. Labasan, lalabasan, Lansan, Cage Favor, 40-39 in favor of Tropon and Stadium. Barreto, bumawi, Nagud, Pinoprete, nawala ang bola, Nasena to Ibal. Ibal, jumper, good for 2. Time out, Team BGS. Official score 42-39 into the Tropa and Stadium. Back to the ball game. Rico Frente. Nagdadala ng bola. Tumbira. Short. Nakuha ni Barcado. Foul. Number 12. Iba, that's a shot for foul. Percy foul. 7 in the line. line. No good. Darnesa to Lacerna. Lacerna, pumasok, layup, good for 2. Remain time 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Tiga frente, 15 to shoot. Orovina, pumasok, 5 step, no good. Foul. Number 13, Orovina. That's your first personal foul, safety foul. Substitution. Baya. No good. Alvarez. Tubareno. Bilang sa loob, Orovina jumper. No good. Rivara to the rebound. Fade away. Good for 2. 15 to shoot. Baya. Traveling violation. Barreto. Orovina. 15 to shoot. Barreto. Bilang sa loob. Buena. No good. Dornesa. Blocker, no good. Buena with the rebound. Torres, Nerona. Layup, no good. Barreto, jumper. Good for 2. Timeout, Tropang Executive. Score 44-43 in favor of Tropang Executive.
Uy, lobat ko na.
Percent.
Yan, ang ganun-ganun lang.
Baya, to Lacerna. 15 to shoot. Ivan. Lansan. No good. Buena. Pinang sa kalaban. Baya, jumper. No good. Barreto. Barreto nagsawadali. Pinang sa Orovina. No good. Repares. 3 seconds violation. Darnesa, Baya. What a pass, good for 2 by Mr. Baya. Barreto, no good. Nakuha niya Ivan. Ivan, layup, good for 2. Orovina, pinang sa labas.
Hoy, time out kami.
Time out, Team BGS. Isa na lang po ang time out ng Team BGS for the second half. Remaining time 2 minutes and 2 seconds in the third quarter. Lacerna, foul. Number 1, Nerona. That's the first personal foul. 30 fouls. Out of bounds. Nerona, pumasok. Traveling violation. Napasobrang akbang. Ivan. Kubaya. Bernesa. 15 to shoot. Maya pumasok. Layup. Counted foul. Foul number 1. Number 10 personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Oy, stop, stop.
Subdivision. Official score 51-43 in favor of Tropa Executive. Narona. Tubareto. Corner 3. 3. Ready time, 1 minute, 10 seconds. 15 to shoot. Baya. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3. Ardida. 15 to shoot. Nerona bumalik. 15 to shoot. Baya pumasok. Good for 2. Seconds. Bukas rete.